You guys are from Pakistan?
Yes.
What did you say about our
In Urdu.
election? Oh, you are gonna speak in Urdu?
Urdu.
Okay, no problem. You can.
जी ज़बरदस्त जी बहुत यहाँ जो जोशो खरोश मैंने देखा इलेक्शन में हर उम्र के नौजवान जवान बुज़ुर्ग ख़वातीन ज़बरदस्त जी ये एक पूरी कौम है और मैं बहुत खुशी इलेक्शन देखा भी कवर भी किया मैं जर्नलिस्ट हूँ और बड़ा मज़ा आया
आप पाकिस्तान से आए हुए?
यस
What is the purpose?
just
To cover the election.
cover the election. Yeah.
Okay. And what is the difference between Pakistan and Bangladesh in case of election?
हम लोग पाकिस्तान और बांग्लादेश दो भाई एक ही आप कह सकते हैं कि हम एक ही हैं और मशरक़ी और
वहाँ पे इलेक्शन, यहाँ पे इलेक्शन डिफरेंस.
हाँ यस नहीं मैं आपको बताऊँ
The political condition is not good there in
Yeah.
Pakistan. So
Yeah.
what is the situation?
वो इधर जो मैंने इलेक्शन देखा ऑब्ज़र्व किया वो बहुत ज़बरदस्त अभी आपकी यहाँ की बांग्लादेश की यूथ को मैंने देखा और बड़ा शऊर और अवेयरनेस रखने वाली यूथ है और बड़ी खुशी हुई अल्लाह ताला इस मुल्क में अमन शांति और आप क्या कह सकते हैं कि दुआ गो है उसकी तरक्की के
Inshallah.
इंशाल्लाह
Thank you, brother.
थैंक यू
Welcome to Bangladesh. How do you feel the election situation in Bangladesh?
It looks so electrifying, and I'm amazed to see the energy in the youth and energy in the Bangladeshi people that they were so interested to cast their vote, and it was really amazing experience for me. I was here in Bangladesh for an official assignment, and in between I got this opportunity to see the election myself.
Oh, you are come here to see some official assignment.
Yeah.
So I didn't get your introduction. So could you please give me the introduction?
Yeah, this is Umair Majid from Brahma Islamic Leaf. It's an NGO I'm working for, and I had an official assignment here. So it was really amazing experience to see it with my own eyes, and I'm really happy that whosoever wins, I'm quite hopeful that it will be a good thing for Bangladesh.
So can you tell me? Could you tell me the difference between Pakistan and Bangladesh in case of election? The environment, the circumstances, the atmosphere. What is the difference between Pakistan and Bangladesh? The atmosphere.
Well, as far as atmosphere is concerned, it is quite similar. But one thing is different in this election that I
In
think
this particular election.
this particular election that the turnout is quite high as
Right.
compared to Pakistan.
Right.
In Pakistan, mostly people usually don't tend to go out for casting their votes. But in this area where I'm living right now, it's Gulshan 1.
Yes.
It looks like that it's a posh area in
Right.
Bangladesh, and as compared to Pakistan posh area, people do not.
People
go
are very
out.
generous,
Yeah.
right.
And here, it's like
They're pretty gentle, right?
the general public has come out to vote. So it's really fascinating to see that.
Thank you very much, sir.
Thank you
Hope
so
you
much.
enjoy in Bangladesh
Yeah.
your visit.
Thank you so much.
Okay.